Did I dream the whole thing? Was I just a nightmare? Different dimensions, stuck in the twilight zone. Is this a black and white scene? If so, then I'm in the gray one. Hope you
Happy birthday, ate. Mahal na mahal kita.
had you completely wrong. Does she know?
Happy birthday po, ate. Meet kita. Love you.
Give her a call. Or was that just not me at all? And it's not like I'm still not over you. It's so strange, 'cause I never do. Not that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe.
Happy legality, Yoni!
It's not like I ever changed a thing, 'cause I'm right here where I'm meant to be. Not that I call you, I won't. Sometimes I
Happy 18th birthday, Ayoni!
you happen last night. It's so strange, I don't. Not that I miss you, I don't.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayoni. Ngayon na adult ka na, lagi mong tatandaan na lahat ng desisyon mo ay may kaakibat na responsibility para sa'yo.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayoni Summer!
Think about it since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded. Leave me at the door.
Lagi mo nang tatandaan na nandito kami ni Papa para sa'yo. Si Yuri, andyan para po-protect ka. Si Yana, as your best friend. Laging nandito lang kami ni Papa. Huwag kang matakot magkamali sa lahat ng desisyon mo. Kasi andito kami para i-guide ka. We love you. Bye-bye.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know.
Happy legality, Ayoni!
And I would still choose you through it all. That's the crazy part. Crazy part. I don't need no more empty promises. Promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers from my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved on me when you started? I'll be here begging for you. You should be giving me love all damn day till the day is done.
Hi, Sam! Before, akala nila anak ko siya nung bata pa siya. So, sabi ko ngayon, big sister. So, 18 na siya ngayon. So, ang wish ko lang sa kanya is magkaroon siya ng joy sa life and then you'll find God in everything that you do. Ayan. Ang ganda mo ngayon, anak.
Thank you po.
It's getting cold out.
Happy birthday, Summer! Happy birthday, Sam!
So come pick up your clothes.
Huwag mo nang nobyo-nobyo, aral mo na. Huwag mo na yung mga... kahit kailan lang, dalaga ka na. Ha? Sige. Sakit kasi ang paa ni Lola, kaya hindi ko kakayo agad, ha? Sige. Happy birthday na lang. Ha? Thank you.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you, already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide.
Happy birthday, Ayoni. Wish ko lang matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Already folding it for you, already